I thought I had it figured out. Believed in us, we were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love, everybody else could see the way we were, living in a fantasy. When I kiss her, I don't know where we're going. I don't know at all. I don't know how we're growing. I'll be moving I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go. Living on my own, making me strong. Now I wanna show I can on my own. See how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby. Don't do it all alone. Sorry for the heartache and saying goodbye, for wasting your time, for wasting your time. I don't know how we're growing. I'll be moving I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go.
ZZCHRYSO focuses on the research and development, design and sales of woodworking machines. Since foundation, our products have served more than 80 countries. Excellent product quality and professional after-sales service have won us widespread praise from customers. Integrity management, quality first, is our consistent principle. A great experience of work in woodworking machine allows us to offer the optimal solutions for your business projects. We pay attention to all aspects: equipment reliability, capacity, and a reasonable price, as well as traditions and national habits. Our professional team of quality control and passionate after-sales service members will continue to keep tracking of each order scientifically, so as to provide high-speed services for customers. All members of ZZCHRYSO welcome global clients and are willing to establish long-term friendly cooperation relations with global customers. We will strive to produce more high-quality products and repay the trust of our customers. We are your reliable business partner here.
We were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love, everybody else could see